Welcome back to the lab. Today, we're talking about something that will completely change the way you experience AI: setting up the back end of your mobile assistant. Out of the box, AI feels pretty generic. It'll answer your questions, it'll do the work, but it doesn't really know you. That's where setup comes in. When you take the time to customize your assistant, it stops being a tool and starts feeling like a personal secretary who understands your preferences, your style, and the way you like things done. For today's example, we'll use ChatGPT because it's one of the most robust platforms for personalization. But keep in mind, most AI platforms are starting to add these features. Once you know what to look for, you'll be able to apply the same setup wherever you go. So let's break this down. First, naming. This may seem small, but giving your AI a name helps you frame the relationship. Whether you call it Chloe, Max, or simply Assistant, naming makes it personal and creates consistency when you're working with it daily. Second, preferences. This is where the magic happens. In ChatGPT, you can tell it how you like your responses. Do you prefer short and direct, or long and detailed? Do you want casual conversational language or formal professional tone? Do you like lists, bullet points, or full paragraphs? You get to decide. And once you set these preferences, your assistant starts tailoring everything to fit your style. Third, instructions. Think of this as your training manual. You can tell ChatGPT, when I ask you for ideas, always give me at least 5 options. Or, when I ask you to summarize, always include action steps at the end. The more specific you are, the better your assistant performs. Fourth, memory. This is the feature that really changes the game. Memory allows ChatGPT to remember key details about you: your name, your projects, your writing style, even the fact that you like responses under 200 words. Instead of repeating yourself every time, the AI starts carrying that knowledge forward. It feels like a real secretary who knows your habits. And finally, boundaries. Just like you'd set expectations with a human assistant, you can do the same with AI. For example, you might say, always fact check before you answer. Or, if something seems unclear, ask me a clarifying question instead of guessing. This keeps your assistant sharp and reliable. Here's the takeaway. Every assistant comes out of the box generic. But once you set up the back end, naming, preferences, instructions, memory, and boundaries, it becomes your assistant, your style, your voice. That's when you stop adapting to AI and AI starts adapting to you. Here's your Power Hour challenge. Open ChatGPT on your phone, go into the settings, and create your own profile. Name your assistant. Set 3 preferences for how you want it to respond. Add at least 1 instruction for a task you do often. And if memory is available on your account, turn it on and give it 1 fact about yourself that you'd like it to remember. Do this today, and tomorrow you'll already notice the difference. Instead of feeling like you're talking to a stranger, you'll feel like you're working with someone who knows you. And that's the power of setting up the back end of your mobile assistant.